Welcome to Speed Superbikes Limited and our first test riding video of this Can-Am. Bit of a trial run this one. We've never done a review or while we've been riding, we've always been static. So it's a new one for us. I thought we'd give it a go, see what what it's going to be like. So it's a 2019 Can-Am Ryker 900. Got to bear in mind it's a foot brake only, no hand brakes, as in you don't use your hands. Ride's really nice, it's not difficult, steers easy. Okay, so it's really we're getting used to, not leaning, obviously used to riding a motorcycle. This is my first time on a Can-Am. No, loads of traffic. Fully automatic. Part of our test ride route as well, where we tend to recommend people should go. Certainly feels like it's got enough power. Very fast it goes, to be honest with you. At low speed, steering feels a little heavy. Didn't get involved from a biker then. It's actually really nice and comfortable, seating position's just right. problem with being on the estate, the trading estate. It's just traffic can get a little bit busy. Look to be doing a few more of these videos, trying to give people a bit more information, just give them a little bit of riding experience. Throttle response is nice, and to be honest with you, it is a little bit different, kind of dials in. Doesn't feel like it wants to kick out. Brakes are nice and good and sharp. Got a handbrake. Yeah, I like that. It's been parked out the front of the showroom this morning. We already had a few customers come in asking about the bike. Trike, sorry, my mistake. Again, this is new for us, doing the talking while we're riding with the bikes. We hope to get a little bit better at it. Please don't judge us too harshly on that. Thank you for taking time to watch. Hoping it's giving you a little bit of an idea of what the Ryker 900 is like to ride around. Thank you for taking time to watch. Good afternoon, welcome to our video of a 2019 Can-Am Ryker 900. And you can see, finished off in the red. All round the bike is in good condition. Bike does come with a reverse gear. It's got spotlights. It's got some fly screen on there. Not sure if that's a genuine one or whether that's something that somebody's fitted onto it afterwards. Tyres are in all good condition, plenty of tread left on them. Again, as I said, the bike in overall is in good condition. The bike comes with, it's HPR clear, it comes with the service book and handbook and the spare key. We've got one service stamp in there. We'll be looking to put certainly an oil and filter on there, do an oil and filter service for you before the bike goes out, as well as putting a fresh MOT on there for you. Back tyres in very good condition, I would have said fairly new. Haven't noticed there's no scuffing or marks on the wheels that I have seen. And to be fair, I haven't seen any damage on the bike. At the moment, it does have a private plate on there. It's got a flip up sissy bar on there. From there, start the bike up, push the throttle up, and then push that one there, and then push the throttle up. Sorry, my mistake. not a noisy bike. Could probably do with a set of open pipes on there if you wanted to make it sound a little bit nicer. We'll try and get a riding video of the bike in a minute, just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like when it's actually being ridden along. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch. To check the bike is still available for sale, please check the Speed Thrills website. Just Google Speed Superbikes or www.speedthrills.co.uk. Check sure and make sure it's available, or give the showroom a call and speak to one of the sales guys on 01392 211 246. We'll be happy to help you out in any way, shape or we can. Obviously we'll take bikes in part exchange. We can arrange delivery. Obviously being 3 wheels, not the usual 2, might be a little bit more of a logistical challenge for us, but I'm sure we'll be able to make something work for you. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll look forward to that riding video in a minute.